All right, guys, we're back. I know I move pretty faster here, but I hope you're stopping the video and you're trying to work it yourself and just using me as your checkpoint on what we're doing. Because if you're just copying, you're not getting yourself anywhere. So let's try these two. I have 1 and 1/12 down to 5/6. So I know I'm subtracting. So if I have 1 and 1/12 subtracted by 5/6, I get a common denominator of what? 12, because 6 can go into 12, so this stays the same. 6 times what got me there? It's 2. So if I take this times 2, I obviously cannot take 10 out of 1. So what am I going to do? I'm going to make this an improper fraction. So 1 times 12 is 12, plus one more, it's 13 twelfths. So now I'm subtracting 13 twelfths from 10 twelfths, and I get 3 twelfths. But if I look at this, can I simplify this? I certainly can. So if I simplify this, I can divide them both by 3, and what do I get? 1/4 if I divide them both by 3. So I am subtracting, or my rule is minus 1/4. So if I know that's my rule, I have 5/6 subtracted by 1/4, and I got to find a common denominator, and I know my multiples pretty well. So 4, 8, 12. Well, 6 can go into 12. So my common denominator is 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. 3 times 1 equals 3. 6 times 2 equals 12. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 twelfths minus 12, 3 twelfths equals 7 twelfths. And I always want to check to see if I got it correct. I'd rather take a little more time and get it correct. So I'm at 7 twelfths, and if I take away 1/4, once again, my common denominator is a 12th, and my 7 twelfths stays the same. Take this times 3. Take this times 3. I get 4 twelfths, because 7 take away 3 equals 4. So I have 4 twelfths. If I simplify that, I can divide them both by 4, and I get 1/3. And that's what I have right here, so 1/3. So I know that's correct. So go the extra mile. It'll make a difference. All right. If I say here, now they're telling us the rules. So I have to start at 1/4. And I'm going to add 1/4 plus 3/8. 8 is my common denominator, so this stays the same. Times 2 times 2. 2/8 plus 3/8 is 5/8. Okay, now we take 5/8 plus 3/8, and 8 and 8 stays the same, so I just have to add them together. And 5/8 plus 3/8 equals 8/8. What am I going to put for 8/8? I'm going to put 1 whole. Okay, and the next one I don't even have to add, because 1 whole plus 3/8 is 1 and 3/8. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what we have on the next page. So here we're looking for the sequence, the rules. So here you just got to look for the rule. These, you're looking for the rule. Here you're looking for the rule, and then you have to fill in a term on those two. So is what I would like is you to do 2 and 4. And then I would like you to pick 1 from this row and 1 from this row. Let's give this number 9 a shot, please. And then when you get done with that, we'll hold off on this page. Here we're going to do all the evens. Here we're going to do 1 and 2 and all of the other. So let's give this our best shot. Follow the rule, take your time. Better to have accuracy than to have to redo.